Hey friends, if you wish to type on both sides of a Google Doc on the same line, then please watch this video. It's very easy. So let's say we have a document here and we wish to type on both the sides. Now the thing is that this document is 7.5 inches long. So I will keep the margin at the absolute center here. Okay. First of all, I'll click on this bar here, I mean this ruler here, and then select add right side tab stop. Okay, now this is the tab stop. I will simply push it to the center, push it somewhat near the center. It would be 3.25 or something. Okay, and then I can start writing here directly. Okay, check this. And in the same line, I can write my name, and then I can go to the tab stop, and then I can click on tab and type my surname. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.